Hi, I am Philippe, and I am excited to introduce you to this new demo that I just built using the RingCentral APIs. I called it the Citizen Feedback Center. And this is just an example, but in a nutshell, it's a solution that transforms how, I don't know, local governments could capture and, for instance, act on citizen feedback in real time. Um, so Maybe I could just very quickly describe what is happening here. In this demo, I have integrated a simple web form that would then be integrated with the RingCentral RingEX app using adaptive cards. I'm also using some of the RingCentral APIs on the wood. What would happen is that citizens would submit the feedback, whether text, images, or some sort of media attachments through the web or a mobile form, or could be also a mobile app, depending on how you want to build this. And then the data is sent as an interactive adaptive card to the town hall staff that would be behind a RingEX application, so using the messaging application where they can review, respond right away, call the citizen back, etc. What makes this special is that I'm doing more with RingCentral RingEX here than just video calls or text messaging. So by leveraging the RingCentral APIs, I'm kind of turning the app into a more dynamic platform for real-time feedback management, where staff can not only communicate with the citizens but also take action on feedback internally within the same application. So it kind of integrates and simplifies the workflow, provides valuable insights on issues, etc. So it's really something simple, but that entirely transforms how people would use and interact with the RingCentral app. I'm also using a Cloudinary account. I'm using the free account for just temporary storage of the MIDI files. But if you're interested in how I've built this, I will also drop the GitHub link page for that. So now up to the demo. So what you have here on the left side, you have the very simple web form I have created. So it's very simple, just takes the name of the person that is submitting the feedback, his contact phone, the address where the situation needs to be handled, and then finally the attachment or the picture. And then in the middle you have the RingEX application. In this case, I am using the Vodafone flavor of that application. So we call it VBUC, and then you also see that I am on this chat. So this is the Town Hall Citizen Feedback Center. This is just one of the messaging chats, one of the groups. It has people within the group that can, and everyone within the group, every time that we get a message, one of these adaptive cards, everyone will be notified. And finally, here on the right side is really just a script that I've built, and I'm also using a free ngrok account to kind of tunnel the to basically turn my machine into a public web service. So starting by just running the script. Now the script is up and running, and you can also see that I just received a small notification within the chat to the staff to know that the application is now up and running. Now let's imagine I am a fellow citizen. I just found something that needs to be reported, like a broken street. I can just go there. Oh, hi, I'm John Garcia something, and then oh, by the way, this is my this is my phone number. And this is the street where I found this problem. And now I can upload the media file. Now I'm just selecting the media file. I can click and upload. You can see the script just received the media file, is digesting, creating the adaptive card, and voila, the adaptive card just lands on this page. Then the HTML page will just go to another landing page. But now, as a staff, I have the media as part of the RingEX application. I can just copy the image. I can notify someone. So now I can say like, "Hey, Philippe, please take action." And And I can also phone back the person. So because I have click to call integrated, I can just quickly call the person to try and understand what else needs to be enforced to notify this the rest of the staff. Now, the cool thing about using the APIs and also the adaptive cards, I have used it in a static HTML page, but I could actually access these through a phone, right? So in this case, I'm just accessing the same static page. Now you can see on the left side of the screen, I'm using the same static page, but I could be using a mobile application. Now I'm not really a mobile developer, so I didn't go to that extent. But bottom line is, as long as you're able to collect information and you can transform that into adaptive card, then you'll be able to submit that to the RingEX app. So the cool thing about doing this on the mobile is that now I can actually take the picture in real time. So for instance, I'm just navigating to the page. Now I can actually take a photo of something that I'm seeing in real time. Oh, it's actually it's a bit of sunlight, by the way. And now I take the picture. Oh, there is a small bump over there, and I want to use this photo, and I'll upload the picture. And the same thing, the same process. Now the picture should be uploaded back to the RingEX application. Now you can see now it's the same. I can act upon it. I can call back to the person that just sent that picture. I can just do something about it. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or feedback, just drop me a message.